What's up everyone? So karon tudloan ta mo sa pag-install og Windows 10 sa VirtualBox. And before ta mo proceed, ato sa ibawon ang history sa VirtualBox ug sa Windows 10.
What is Windows 10? So Windows 10 is a Microsoft operating system for personal computers, tablets, embedded devices, and Internet of Things devices. With Windows 10, you can get comprehensive, built-in, and ongoing security protections to help keep you and your family safe. Connect across devices to bring your favorite apps and files with you anytime and any place. Stay efficient and productive with a Windows that's familiar, fast, and secure.
Good morning, everyone, and especially to you, Mr. King. I'm here to talk all about the history of Windows 10. So, first is announcement and development in 2014. Microsoft officially announced Windows 10 on September 30, 2014. It was introduced as the successor to Windows 8.1 with a focus on addressing many of the criticism and issues user had with the previous version. Second is technical review around 2014 to 2015. Microsoft released several preview builds of Windows 10 to members of its Windows Insider program, allowing users to test early versions of the operating system and provide feedback. This helped Microsoft gather data and improve the stability and functioning of Windows 10.
So, Windows 10 is the last version of Windows to be released in a traditional manner as Microsoft has shifted towards a more continuous development model with Windows 10 being regularly updated rather than releasing entirely new version. So, ang Windows 10 was officially released sa publiko pag July 29, 2015. It was made available as a free upgrade for eligible devices running genuine copies of Windows 7 and Windows 8.1. So, as of my last update in January 2022, Windows 10 remains widely used across various devices, including desktops, laptops, tablets, and two-in-one devices. Microsoft continues to provide support and updates for Windows 10, with the operating system scheduled to reach its end of service in October 2025, after which security updates and support will no longer be provided for most editions.
Windows 10 is owned by Microsoft Corporation, which was founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen in 1975. Bill Gates particularly played a significant role in the development of Microsoft's operating systems, including Windows. Gates served as the CEO of Microsoft until 2000 and remained involved with the company in various capacities until his focus shifted more toward philanthropy with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation.
So, what is VirtualBox? VirtualBox is a free and open source virtualization software developed by Oracle Corporation. It allows us users to run multiple operating systems simultaneously on a single physical machine. With VirtualBox, you can create virtual machines that act like separate computers, each with its own OS and setup application. This technology is commonly used for various purposes such as software development, testing, and running applications that are not compatible with the host operating system.
VirtualBox, development by Inateek GmbH 2003 to 2009. VirtualBox was originally developed by a small company called Inateek GmbH, founded by some of the developers of the OS/2 operating system. they released the first version of VirtualBox in 2007. Guys, VirtualBox is na-develop sa gamay nga kampanya, atong kampanya nga gitawag nato og Innotech, then nakitaan sa usa ka developers of the OS operating system, then ilang gi-release ang first versions of VirtualBox pag 2007. Acquisitions by Sun Microsystems 2008. In February 2008, Sun Microsystems, the company known for Java and later acquired by Oracle Corporations, acquired Innotech GmbH. Sun continued to develop and improve VirtualBox. Open sourcing 2007 to 2010. VirtualBox was released as an open source project under the GNU General Public License (GPL) by Innotech GmbH before its acquisitions by Sun Microsystems. After the acquisition, Sun continued to develop and maintain the open source version. Acquisition by Oracle 2010. In January 2010, Oracle Corporation acquired Sun Microsystems, including VirtualBox, as part of the deal. VirtualBox became part of Oracle's portfolio of virtualization solutions.
So, mao siya ang sumpay sa history of VirtualBox. Continued development 2010%. Ang Oracle kay continue daw siya og develop niya, ni-release siya og mga bag-o nga versions sama sa VirtualBox, adding features, improving performance, and providing support for new operating systems and technologies. The VirtualBox has remained popular among developers, IT professionals, and enthusiasts due to its ease of use, versatility, and the fact that it's free and open source. The next is Community Edition and Extension Packs. Virtual is available in 2 editions. Mato siya. Ang number 1 kay the Community Edition, also known as the Open Source Edition, and the Extension Pack. The Community Edition contains the core virtualization functionality, while kaning ikaduha, the Extension Pack adds additional features such as USB device support, virtual webcam support, and more. What's up everyone? So after na to may bawa ng history sa Windows 10 o VirtualBox, proceed na ta sa installation. So first, atong i-download ang VirtualBox. So sa atong browser, pwede Google, so mag-search daw VirtualBox. So pwede na bisag unsa na browser kung unsay available ninyo. So inig-search niyo mag VirtualBox, makita ninyo mga link kani virtualbox.org. So mao na imong pisliton. After ana, maabot na dire. Sa left side sa screen, makita na to ang downloads. So atong i-click ang downloads. After ana, atong makita dire ang VirtualBox 7.0.18 platform packages. So Windows host if nagamit ka og Windows, Mac OS if nagamit ka Mac OS, og Linux distributions if gagamit ka Linux. So sa akong case kay ga Windows man ko, so Windows ang akong pisliton. So asa na to i-8 ako lang sa na default. I-click. Click next. Next. Yes. Install. Finish. After installing sa VirtualBox, mao na yung atong makita. So, since man naman tag-install sa VirtualBox, proceed ta sa Windows 10. So, sa Windows 10, inig-search ni mo mao na yung magawas. So, diri sa Create Windows 10 Installation Media, atong i-click ang Download Now. Save. Then, after na, atong i-click. ato sa tanaw ng Windows 10 requirements. So sa Windows 10 requirements, ang processor needed niya ay 1 GHz. So, hindi ra 1 GHz. Ang RAM is 1 GB for 32-bit or 2 GB for 64-bit. And sa storage or hard disk ay 16 GB for 32-bit and 20 GB for 64-bit. So ato i-click ang finish. Download na to ang Windows 10 na ISO file. So after na, proceed ka sa VirtualBox. There is a VirtualBox, so natay mga options. So ato i-click ang new. Sa new, so ato butang magpangalan ng atong virtual machine o ang operating system. So since Windows 10 na ato i-download, so ato i-name Windows 10. And ang folder na yang asa siya store, so ato lang na i-default. And diri sa ISO image, so ato i-click diri ang katong i-download diri na. Ara. Saan na itong i-download? Ara. Open. After that, click. Ito na siya i-click kay para ma-manual na to ang installation. So kung dili na to yung manual kay kailangan matag license key. So na ay mga installation nga automatic kasi siya. So kailangan nato na siyang i-check. So diri kay papilion ta kung unsa ang hardware nga atong i-allocate. So since ga-search man ta ganiya sa Windows 10 requirements, so ara to i-open. So diba, nag-search ta nga processor is 1 GHz, 1 GB for 32-bit, ra. Ini. So sa atong hardware, so ang RAM, so ba pila to? 1 GB for 32-bit. So since 64-bit man na akong ganahan or akong gikuan ganiya gi-allocate, so ato i-allocate ang 2 GB. And sa processor, so pwede ra 1 GHz or faster. So since kamay raman ko processor, so 1 lang akong i-allocate. Kay just in case di niya kadawag ang akong laptop. Click next. And after ana, dire mag-allocate na pud ka og storage. So since pwede raman 16 GB for 32-bit and 20 GB for 64-bit. So since 64-bit ta, atong lang i-allocate og 20 GB na. After na, ato i-click ang next. So mao ni siya ang atong summary sa atong ipang-allocate na storage or RAM and processor sa OS. Click finish. After na, makita nimo, so sa bag-o nga VirtualBox kay automatic na ni siya. After na, pwede na ta mag-start or ato lang i-check ang storage. Na. So mag-click ka sa start. Click ang start, masugod na siya og install. Dayon mo pop up ni siya nga screen. Itong padakot. Buwat lang ta kay automatic ka na siya nga mo download. Dire Windows setup, so papili yung tag language. So English, next na to, default na. So click install na. Windows key. So since wala man tayo Windows key, ato pislito na I don't have a product key. Next, so papilion ta if unsa na Windows operating system ang atong ganahan. Windows 10 Home, 10 Pro. So pwede sige sa karon daw mag Windows 10 Pro ko. Next. For that, accept license terms. So sa kani, pabilihin na punta. Upgrade, install Windows NT file settings in application. So since nag-allocate na memory ganiya, so kanya to bisitong custom. So mao niyang gi-allocate na to ganiya sa pagsugod. So kani click and click next. Ano, dali ra jud kasi ya. So, inig human sad region United States lang ito biliyon. Yes. Skip. So ato i-set up ang atong account. So set up for personal use, or if organization ka, kanang may click. And limited experience. So setting name. Next. So sayo na lang yung password para dili mo makalimot. Tara na, start na ni siya. So, nga na nakadali guys sa pag-download sa Windows 10 or any operating system sa VirtualBox. So, guys, ato nang na-install ang Windows 10 sa VirtualBox. Duwa naka-OS ang ato ang sa actual o sa VirtualBox. Mao na siya nakalindot sa VirtualBox. So, mao to guys, daghang salamat og unta na amoy nakatunan sa ato ang video.